Welcome dear student to LF Bias Institute. Today we are going to understand Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. Okay, why this fund has been formed, what are the objectives behind this, and which sector we want to promote. So government has announced Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund in recent times. Okay, so we will see some sort of background in that. The fund value or corpus of fund is 15,000 crore. How much? It's a 15,000 crore. In short, we can say it HIDF. Okay, so this is basically a government India's initiative Atmanirbhar Bharat, and in that initiative, government has tried to give some incentivization and to promote entrepreneurs, private companies, MSMEs, farmers, then producers organization, farmers producers organization, FPO we basically called it as, and other companies to avail loan facilities, credit facilities, so that there are three main objectives has to be achieved. So what are these three objectives related to Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? The three objectives in that, the first objective, the development of dairy processing, right? What is the first objective? Development of dairy processing and value addition infrastructure, right? Second objective, development of meat processing, again related with value addition infrastructure, and the last one is animal feed plant. So basically you will find question in UPSC, even in as well as Maharashtra Public Service Commission or other state PCS exam, Animal Husbandry Fund and which of the following statements are correct or incorrect. Or we can have another instinct also, that this question should be asked in such a way that which of the following statements have correctly defined Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. So in that, the correct question or correct answer should be that these three are important statement, and the amount and who launched it, that's important part, right? In next slide we can understand what are the objectives of this infrastructure development fund. The first objective is to help increasing milk and meat production or meat processing capacity and product diversification, thereby providing greater access for unorganized rural and rural milk and meat producers to organize milk and meat market. So basically, in short or in crisp language, we can say this fund has to cater all the demands from milk industry and meat industry, right? Second objective is to make available increased price realization for the producer. Okay, the prices of the product should be understood, and what are the price realization we have, and that increment in that the producer should be understood. Then the third important objective is that to make available quality milk and meat to the domestic consumer. Whoever be the domestic consumer, that means the common people of India should avail all the quality milk and quality meat products, right? Then problem with Indian population is that there are some sort of nutritional lacking, correct? The people of India lacked in nutrition, and these nutritional values should be supported by government, and this protein rich product, correct? A protein rich product should reach to the end consumer, that's the most important aim. So जो प्रोटीन रिच एनरिच क्वालिटी फूड है उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए भी ये इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव रखा गया है, करेक्ट है? देन इससे क्या होगा कि माल न्यूट्रिशन जो है उससे हम कई हद तक लड़ सकते हैं, ऐसा गवर्नमेंट का मानना है. देन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, एक जो एंटरप्रेन्योर एक वेव चल रहा है हमारे इसमें, है ना, मेक इन इंडिया, बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन आगे आ रहे हैं, तो इस सेक्टर में भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रमोट करना, ओके, और एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट करना एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस फंड का. देन एक्सपोर्ट को इंक्रीज करके इंपोर्ट को हमें क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा कम करना है, और एक्सपोर्ट का कंट्रीब्यूशन इस सेक्टर से हमें क्या करना है, ज्यादा लाना है. और टू अवेल क्वालिटी कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एनिमल्स फीड टू द कैटल, बफेलो, शीप, गोट, पिग जो भी होते हैं, है ना, जो भी कैटल से, उनके लिए ये सारी चीजें उपलब्ध कराना ये भी जरूरी है. देन this type of fund, these are very short news notes, even you can understand this type of questions generally asked in examination, and most of the students have failed to answer these questions because they have very basic idea about it. When you are reading such a kind of topics, at that time you have to focus on the area where you definitely think that question will not ask, and examiner or the board, board we can say the commission definitely ask the question from this area. So thank you so much dear students. Thank you.